It was Jake's 11th birthday, and he was surrounded by friends and family. Among the many presents, one stood out, a small, intricately designed box. Jake's eyes sparkled with curiosity as he picked it up. Little did he know, this box would lead him on an incredible adventure. Inside the box was a note that read, "Solve the Python puzzle to unlock the secrets." Jake opened his laptop and started reading about Python programming. The first challenge was a simple one. Create a program that prints "Hello World" on the screen. Jake typed the code, and with a click of a button, the words appeared. Excited, he moved on to the next challenge. A new message popped up. "Well done. Now let's learn about loops." The next challenge was to create a pattern using loops. Jake learned how to use 4 loops to repeat actions. He wrote a program that printed stars in a triangle shape. Jake felt a sense of accomplishment as the pattern appeared on the screen. The box glowed, revealing the next clue. "Time to meet your friend Emma." Jake called his best friend Emma and told her about the mysterious box. Emma was just as excited and eager to help. They decided to work together on the next challenge. The box revealed a new task. Create a function that adds 2 numbers. Emma suggested they start by understanding what functions are. Together they wrote their first function. Jake and Emma learned that functions are like little machines that do specific tasks. They created a function to add 2 numbers and tested it with different values. The box glowed again, and another message appeared. "Great job. Now let's explore algorithms." Jake and Emma were ready for the next challenge. They felt like real programmers now. The next challenge was to solve a simple algorithm problem. They had to write a program that finds the largest number in a list. Jake and Emma brainstormed and wrote the code together. They tested it, and it worked perfectly. The box revealed another clue. "You're getting closer. Let's learn about sorting." Jake and Emma's next task was to sort a list of numbers in ascending order. They learned about different sorting algorithms and chose to implement the bubble sort. After some trial and error, they got it right. The box glowed brighter than ever. A new message appeared. "Almost there. Time to tackle some real-world problems." The challenges were getting more complex. Jake and Emma had to write a program that calculates the total price of items in a shopping cart. They used all the skills they had learned so far. After a few hours of coding, they succeeded. The box now revealed a map to a virtual world. "Enter the world of code," it said. Jake and Emma put on their VR headsets and entered the virtual world. They found themselves in a land made entirely of code. The first task was to navigate through a maze using programming commands. They wrote a program to guide their virtual avatars through the maze. With teamwork, they reached the end and unlocked another clue. The final challenge was the most difficult yet. They had to create a game where a character collects treasures while avoiding obstacles. Jake and Emma combined everything they had learned to build the game. It took them hours, but they finally did it. The box glowed and opened, revealing a golden key. With the golden key in hand, Jake and Emma unlocked the final compartment of the box. Inside, they found a certificate and a medal that read, "Master of Python Puzzles." They were overjoyed and felt proud of their achievement. The box also contained a letter from the creator of the puzzle, congratulating them on their success. They had become true coding adventurers. Jake and Emma's journey with the Python puzzle had come to an end, but their love for coding had just begun. They decided to create their own puzzles to challenge others. They knew that with teamwork and determination, they could solve any problem. The adventure had taught them valuable lessons and ignited a lifelong passion for coding. And so, their story continued, one line of code at a time.